Hi, welcome back to our tutorial series on AutoCAD's drawing commands. In case you have missed the previous videos of this series, you can click the link of the video on the description right down below. If you find this video is helpful, kindly hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel to get updated to more upcoming tutorials for free. Let's now try our ellipse tool. In order to access our ellipse tool, just go ahead below our rectangle or polygon tool. Click on this icon and we are going to use the different ways on creating our ellipses. We have the center, axis, and the elliptical arc. Let's first try the center method. Click first point, click second point, and as you can see, we are now creating our ellipse object. So through this one, in order to do this one, and click our final point. So as you can see, we have created our ellipse shape or object. Let's try another one by using the secant method. The axis or end. First, select our first point and select our end point. So as you can see, we are creating our ellipse by using the axis or end method. Let's go ahead to our final way of creating our ellipse, the elliptical arc. Select first point, select second point, and finalize our ellipse by creating or selecting our third point. So we are creating our elliptical arc. So just like in arc, but we are using our ellipse method. So these are the ways on how to create our ellipse objects or using our ellipse tool. On the next part of this video tutorials, we're going to use and create the different objects using the different drawing commands in AutoCAD. So see you on the next video series.